Having a good website hosting is important so your brand can offer a quality service to your customers. On the other hand, bad hosting can literally paralyze your business. You need hosting that is fast, secure, reliable, and allows you to add unlimited domains for your businesses. Honestly, there are virtually hundreds of hosting companies out there, and you're probably already paying for a monthly or a yearly subscription with one of them. But the problem is the hosting can be slow and unreliable service. Of course, you need boost hosting for your business, but don't you think the cost is a little too much and you need to pay them every single month no matter how few of their resources you use? Hosting companies charge you too much. When it comes to digital marketing, website performance is everything. Most hosting servers will provide you the best performance. But when you start receiving high traffic, your site speeds slow down or service crashes. So today I present to you PrimeHost. So in this review, I will show you everything about this product. What is PrimeHost, the features, the sales page, the live demo, the bonuses, the price, and finally my honest review at the end of this video. But before we start, I will much appreciate it if you smash that subscribe button if you're interested in affiliate marketing and product reviews, and don't forget to give this video a like if you benefit, of course. Now let's get started. PrimeHost is a brand new Titan Core technology-based hosting platform to host unlimited websites and domains on ultra-fast and secure servers. It takes only 3 steps to host your sites with PrimeHost. Step number 1, log into PrimeHost, log in on their ultra-secure PrimeHost account and insert your domain name. You can add unlimited domains and unlimited websites. Step number 2, manage your hosting account. Most powerful control panel. Start managing your hosting account from their user-friendly and powerful control panel in just minutes. And step number 3, install 100 web scripts in just one click. Now you can install plus 100 web scripts in just one click from their dashboard. I am sure you can see the huge value in it. It's the same package huge corporations are offering and charging you hundreds of dollars a year. Except this one is better in every way, unlimited everything, 24 hours, 7 days a day, a week premium support, faster loading websites. You know you were getting this. It's what's called in the industry as a complete no-brainer. Now I will show you some features of PrimeHost. First, host unlimited sites and domains. You only have to pay once to profit forever. At just one-time payment, you can host unlimited websites and domains, no restrictions, no limitation, and no monthly charges ever. Second, fast and reliable server. Their cutting-edge compression algorithm helps to load your sites and pages at lightning-fast speed with no downtime. Third, unlimited free end-to-end SSL encryption. All your precious data and websites are protected by our end-to-end SSL encryptions. Also, you can get unlimited free SSL certificates. 4. Unlimited bandwidth and database. Get unlimited bandwidth to provide consistent site performance even with high traffic or large media files. Also, you can create and manage unlimited database at no extra cost. 5. Personalized email accounts. You will get your own personalized email accounts to create and manage your professional emails easily. Number 6. One-click WordPress installation. Install WordPress on your sites in just one click. Create beautiful sites and make them live in just minutes. And so much more. So what can PrimeHost do for you? Save thousands of dollars in hosting subscription fees. Host, manage and access your website from anywhere at any time on any device. Save your files from ransomware and malware with unlimited free end-to-end encryptions. Save more time and energy to focus on their income-producing activities for your businesses. Save more money to reinvest in your business and marketing staff and generate more profits. Get full control on your website with reliable and secure service. Boost your website performance, traffic, sales, and conversions with fast loading speed. And of course, much more. So here in the sales page, stop paying hundreds of dollars every month to slow and a difficult to use hosting service that lack critical security protection. Introducing the brand new Titan Core technology-based hosting platform to host unlimited websites and domains on an ultra-fast and secure service and an unbeatable low one-time price. And if you scroll down, you will see the steps I already mentioned before about how to use PrimeHost. So let's take a look inside PrimeHost. Like you see, the software is simple and easy to use. Here you can find everything you need to know to hosting your websites. So the file management, the domains, the database, the email accounts, the DNS, and the scripts installers. So click at WordPress. You can find here WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, and everything else. So click at add new WordPress. Enter your site title, site description, the domain, and after choose any theme you want. For example, let's choose this one. After click at install. Click at continue. Like you see, the theme is installed successfully. After you can click at auto SSL and add a new domain. Click your domain here. For example, like this, and voila. And for the email accounts, add a new mailbox, email account, the password, the domain, the password generator. After click at submit. Like I said before, guys, this software it's easy and friendly user. Anyone can use it. Beside one time paying, no monthly fees. Here the DNS. You can create your CNM. Now for the script installers. This is the script you can choose from, and much more. And for the price, there is two plans to choose. Plan number 1, PrimeHost VIP, and the plan number 2 is PrimeHost VIP 1. The first one gives you 10-year hosting, unlimited domains and subdomains, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited database, unlimited free end-to-end SSL encryptions, unlimited free SSL certificates, blazing fast and reliable service, personalized email account, one-click WordPress installation, easy-to-use app panel, plus 101-click script installer, edit, add DNS records, 24 hours 7 days a week customer support for premium bonuses. The price is $47, one-time pay, no monthly fees. And the plan number 2 gives you pay once, use forever, unlimited hosting, unlimited domains and subdomains, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited database, unlimited free end-to-end SSL encryptions, unlimited free SSL certificates, blazing fast and reliable service, personalized email account, one-click WordPress installation, easy-to-use ePanel plus 101-click script installer, edit, add DNS records, 24 hours customer support, and for premium bonuses. The price is $97, one-time pay, no monthly fees. Besides, you will have 30 days money-back guarantee if you face a problem or you don't like the product. If you want to purchase PrimeHost, the link in the description below. Besides, I will give you 11 valuable bonuses. Like you see, this is the bonuses I will give you if you decide to purchase PrimeHost from my link below. So the first bonus is WordPress SEO track plugin. The second bonus is extremely build plugin, the WordPress YouTube Leads plugin, WordPress Leads app plugin, benefits of social boost, mobile optimizer WordPress plugin, social pop-ups plugin, authority traffic masters, Facebook live reaction, Amazon Press, and Face Zone. This is the bonuses I will give you, like I said, if you purchase PrimeHost from my link below, the link in the description below. And of course, if you see this video helpful, you know what you must do. Give it a like, smash that red button for more content like this, and see you on the next one.